welcome back to Motovlog number 8. Happy Memorial Day. Just out here for a little cruise. Actually not a bad day out. For the past couple days, man, it has been kind of nasty. It kind of went from like a hot days to cold days in less than a day. But I guess welcome to Virginia weather. It's probably been a few days since I've been out on the bike. Probably about a week. So feels good to be out. Weather's kind of been crappy. Work's kind of been crazy. Haven't really had a chance to get out and do a vlog. I think it's probably been a little over a week since I last posted Motovlog 7, because I think that was when we did Bikes and Coffee just about 2 weeks ago. So yeah, it's been a little bit. So happy Memorial Day again to everybody. Let's not forget what this day is all truly about, and not just in Kamala Harris's words, a long weekend. Woo! I guess that's what we've amounted Memorial Day to, is have a good weekend. Have a good long weekend. Not anything about our vets or anything. So remember, next time, vote Republican. How you doing? So we don't have any new updates on the Virginia Revolution run. Everything is still set to go. Dates, times, everything is still all set. As mentioned before, if we come up with any new details, stuff like that, we'll let everybody know, keep everybody updated. As far as stuff that we still have going on, we still have the Ride for Battered Women ride coming up June 19th. We still have the Amelia Stakeout coming up June 19th also. I apologize if I sound a little stuffy at all. How you doing there, buddy? Kind of one of those things where, you know, the weather changes and it gets you all stuffy. Maybe it might just be a little too dusty in my house. I don't even know. So yeah, no new updates on VRR or the Stakeout, anything like that. Everything's still scheduled and on track. So man, feels awesome out here. Yesterday it was cold and rainy. Now today it's probably I don't know, 60s. I mean, I got a t-shirt on, the vest on, so even still, with it being I think in the 60s, you know, probably still could have put a hoodie on, but it is what it is. Feels good. So we just turned over 100 subscribers on YouTube. I want to thank the 100 people who hit the subscribe button, people who have been sharing it, liking the videos, commenting, all that stuff. It kind of helps with the YouTube algorithm of things. I know 100 subscribers isn't really anything, you know, in today's counts, but hey, 100 people is more than what we had 2 months ago. But definitely appreciate it. I think we're probably going to be doing maybe like a giveaway soon. It was kind of discussed between me and the other guy was staggered about us doing a possible few raffles and stuff like that, maybe on some pit bikes, some mini bikes, maybe a 22, something like that. So definitely stay definitely stay updated on that. Keep following us on all our social media stuff. You know, if we do start doing stuff like that, you know, then of course then we'll let you know, keep you updated. But right now that's just kind of, it's just kind of in the works. So really don't want to set anything in stone yet on it. But once we know something, then I'll let you know. I did get the other helmet set up that I'm going to be using for the Bluetooth setup and the camera setup. I just bought a standard Lexan Bluetooth for my other helmet. That way I'm not always using this one right here. The shield one on this is kind of a little jacked up. There's a I don't know if it used to be a screw inside the helmet or if it's just made kind of where like this round hard plastic piece inserts into the side of the helmet, but it's not grabbing onto the visor anymore. So the visor is a little wonky on this thing. So probably going to be retiring this helmet soon. Maybe just throw it up on the shelf and call it a day. How you doing? So yeah, and then bust out the new fresh white helmet. I still have the other 3-in-1 Skull Lightning helmet from Harley Davidson. I think that's just going to be a helmet that I just wear every once in a blue moon. But yeah, I might be retiring this one, being that this one's kind of seen its better days. It's got a bunch of scratches on the visor, even though that can be replaced. But this is kind of one of those helmets where it's kind of hard to find replacement parts for it. So it's not like a real super expensive helmet. So when you find these parts, you got to find them on the black market. Kidding, maybe. But yeah, so look forward to that video too. I'll be doing a video maybe on the new helmet reveal, show the Bluetooth that I put on there. I just bought a standard Lexan. I think it's a Lexan Bluetooth. I did all the inserts in that one, so that one's completely ready to go. It's got the GoPro mounts on it. It's got the Bluetooth in there, so that thing's good and ready to roll. It's got a nice tinted black visor on it. So yeah, I'll be busting that one out soon. Check out the little car right there on top of the Saturn. I don't know if y'all can make that out. Can you see it? Check it out. What's that? Gotta love the sound of those Vance and Hines long shot pipes. Man, it's gorgeous out here. I don't understand why Virginia weather just can't be like this every day. But now, next week it'll snow. The following week after that, we're gonna have a tornado, and then it'll be back up to the 90s again, and then it'll rain for about 6 days, and then we'll finally hit summer. That's Virginia weather for you. Sure, I got smacked in the face with a bird. Definitely don't need to be getting smacked in the helmet today with a bird. Not today. Man. I think I may have to get this thing, I think it's, I guess, what do you call it, mapped, something like that. I think this thing is definitely running a little bit too lean. I don't really think, I know dynos do pop like that every now and again, but this thing just sometimes has just some bad pop to it. So I do think it is running a little lean, but hey, if it's running lean, whatever. Sounds good. Burning some more fuel. It's cool. America. Yeah, so just gonna sit here and finish going for this little ride. I have no clue how far we are into the video. I'd estimate maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes. I'm gonna go with 10 minutes. Taking a shot. I don't know until I look back at the video how far we are in. But just gonna cruise over here to my aunt's house real quick, hang out for a little bit, maybe make some food, throw some burgers on the grill. So y'all be safe. Hit the subscribe button, like button, share button, do what you do. See y'all later.